So I bought this a while ago. It's a winder for large spools. So if you weave or something like that. I thought, I wonder if I can make it work for bobbins. If you get, if you need to wind a bobbin of some other sort, ones that don't necessarily fit, or like on my shoe patchers or something like that. And I thought it would be fun to see if it worked. And then I tried it out recently and found out it worked very well indeed. So what I do is I just pass the thread through this, and yes, I could put it on the treadle, but since I don't have it on the treadle right at the moment, you just pass the thread through the tensioner of the winder above, and then it just winds the bobbin very effectively. And it's fast as well because it's gear driven, so you can really get up some good speed on winding your bobbins. So especially for the thread patcher, the shoe patcher, it's a very slow process winding a bobbin, even though they're really mini. Like here, you can really get a good speed going. So this is bobbin thread, which is very thin, 80 weight bobbin thread, so you have to put a lot on, but you can see it goes at a really good speed. I'll zoom in. And we're done. Just put that back. And so that fits pretty much any size of bobbin. I just put a bit of tape on there for really small or for larger holes. And then all I have to do is snip the thread and load the bobbin up.